Hi everyone, it's Lauren Smith from the Customer Success team here at Copysmith, and today I'm excited to show you our new integration with Google Ads. To turn on this integration, click on your account icon in the left-hand sidebar and then choose Integrations. You'll see the connection for Google Ads and click Connect, and then choose an account for that Google Ad account. Allow access, and it is now connected. So now your Copysmith and your Google Ad account are connected. So let's go ahead and open up one of my Google Ad templates. You can always click that create button instead and create one from scratch. I'm just going to filter mine to view one I've already created. And once I have it opened up, I now see this puzzle icon. And when I click on it, there it is. When I click on it, I'll choose my campaign and then I can choose my ad group. Then I want to export that selected copy to my Google Ads Manager. Final URL, that's where I want the landing page of the ad to be. You have to use an HTTPS at the start of your URL here. I'm going to choose Copysmith, and as soon as I click export, I get that little confirmation message that the selected copy is successfully exported to Copysmith. And that is it. That's how easy it is to turn on Copysmith and Google Ads and join them together and export your copy directly into your Google Ads account. We can't wait to see what you do with this feature. Happy copysmithing!